Hey, Kathy, this is not your car.
It is now.
Yeah.
Wait.
That's your car.
Yeah.
She's driving your car. She's driving your car. Previously on Paul BGMZ vlogs. Let's go to airport. Hey!
Hi, vlog.
This is my loving uncle, Felix.
What is this, a blog? A blee blog?
Vlog. Hi.
you. Complete sentences? Dang.
Everyone just arrived here at Felix's house. I think we're gonna have a barbecue. Did you bring the barbecue?
No, I think we're going to dinner.
Oh, okay, that's cool. That's cool too. That's my Uncle David right there. He says he wants to keep me here.
Yeah, another day.
For another
Jimmy's
day.
here.
Oh, look, and it's Jimmy.
I gotta get you a present. I gotta get you a present. What I bring you a present? Hi, Kathy.
Hi, Jimmy.
How you doing?
Hey, good to see you, Jimmy.
How you been?
Been really good.
Are you
Yeah,
recording?
you're white, man.
Oh, white.
Look, you had moles like your mom.
Oh, yeah. And this arm too, they're popping over here too. This birthmark's been there since I was born. The one right here.
This is a birthmark?
Yeah, that's a birthmark.
Today, coming from North Carolina.
Hey, Theo Felix, my dad says hi and send his blessings towards you.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's what he said over the phone today.
You gotta weigh 200 pounds. How much you weigh?
Like 240.
240?
Yeah. Can you take a punch?
Oh, what kind of ice cream?
What kind of cerveza?
Hi. How are you?
Good.
I guess I'll get the chips gallery, the sandwich. That looks pretty good. Okay, thank you. Did he already pay for it, or how much did it cost? I don't know what everyone else got. Got myself a cookie ice cream sandwich. Want a bite?
Wait, are you guys available Sunday?
Whoa.
Damn, I was skinny.
How does it feel to see your younger self from the year 1982?
Skinny, look how fat I am now.
It was great to see that your life was lost, but you was cold and your body swung back and forth. Now your eyes see the sad song, how you died, lived so fast, died so young. It says, hey, now don't push me, cause I'm close to the edge. I'm trying not to use my head.
Can you still rap that way, Jimmy?
Shit, I wish I was that skinny now, man. Fucking fat stomach.
I got her the spin chair. Yeah. I said, who wants the spin chair? And she took it right away. Is this the gym?
Here we go. The man
The
cave
guard?
right here.
The man cave here.
Got it all right here. We got the nice full rack. It folds in, just in case we need garage space. We got the Bowflex Max Trainer, courtesy of Julie. Thank you for that. We got the Olympic weights right here. 25s and 45s and 35s. And then we got the adjustable rack. We're in the Olympic bar.
We're in the gym.
Championship belt right here.
Oh, this means a whole lot right there.
So we got everything we need right here.
And Boof doesn't need to go to the gym because he already has a gym.
Okay.
Oh, bikes? Nice. These are nice bikes.
So this is the luxury one right here. This is what I do my mountain biking on. And then this is for the girls and the cruising through the neighborhood. Oh, and we got the longboards.
Oh, you guys longboard?
Well, this
I can't even longboard.
We got different kinds. The bro hooked us up with them. But these are supposed to emulate surfing, like because the trucks are a lot bigger.
Yeah.
You can see the difference between a regular skateboard and a longboard.
Oh yeah, I can see the difference.
Yeah.
The one's wider.
Yeah, bigger wheels, they coast longer. Paul, you pick your activities, and we will do it.
I got that for booth life.
Oh, this
That little kid. That's an antique.
Yeah.
It's an antique.
I wonder how old is it? It looks like
I bought it at an antique shop.
it looks it's so bronze and everything.
Yeah, it's nice, huh?
Then we got 500 watts pushing out in the garage. 500 watt subwoofer with the surround sound speakers that we can connect up here and watch the fight.
Boof, hit the bag real quick for him. I wanted to see you hit the bag.
Oh, hold on, I got it.
Oh, dang. Oh, dang. That's power right there that I've been hearing about. Nice, Booth. That's so cool. You got power there. I told your dad that's good, that if someone ever breaks into your house, you be able to kick their ass.
That's Chloe.
That's Chloe.
That's Ava.
And that's Ava. These are nice pictures of them.
Thank you. You see my
This is a great family. And this is what they drew here.
magnets?
Oh, these are your magnets? I love that. It's like Cheech and Chong a little bit.
Yeah, that's Queen.
Oh, yeah.
That's Queen.
I didn't look closer until you said something.
Brittany and then Mariah.
So funny. So that's Mariah. And that's Brittany. And they even got their ABCs up here. Yeah, there's my cousin with his 2 daughters. Right now we're out for a walk. Taking, what's the dog's name?
Kane.
Kay. Taking Kay out for a walk.
Kane.
Kane. Misheard, sorry. Met said Kane. Kane.
Mr. Kane.
Mr. Kane.
Kane Lobster.
Ashamed, think something new under the sun. You can't take back them things you already done. No, you blame things that you do on somebody else.
Jump! You can make it!
You need help.
Run after her!
But still you try so hard.
You're gonna make them run all the way to the... Oh yeah, this will definitely tire them out. Check out Kane, he wants to join in. Too bad, Kane. Just gotta watch him. Chloe, she's already all pooped out. And she just collapsed. Ava took it like a champ. She didn't collapse yet.
Okay, let's go back in.
Looks like we didn't even need that bag, huh, Chloe? We just need it as a parachute just to slow you down and tire you out.
No, don't go there. You want to go there?
Do you?
Hey, Kasi, this is not your car.
It is now. Yeah, you guys are smooth.
This looks like a James Bond's car.
Watch out, dude. Get out the way.
That's your car.
Yeah.
That's your car right there.
Get him, get him.
She's driving your car.
I just need a break. I'll take what you take. I just need to break.
She's driving your car.
Gas, I couldn't make the bounce. But I was like 16 when I learned. Oh.
I'm like the same way. I don't think I can remember. Oh, there she goes.
She's crazy.
Jesus, holding up for you.
When did she learn how to drive stick shift? When it?
This is a perfect fit.
What kind of car?
I hope I caught that on. Win! Yeah. Hey.
How you doing, Terrence?
I'm Paul.
Paul, nice to meet you.
From California.
From California?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I've seen you on Facebook.
Oh. My cousin.
Hi. You too.
What, since 2014?
Yeah, it's been a while.
Man, that's a long time.
It's been a long time.
What's going on?
Hi. My boyfriend.
How you doing, Terrence?
These are nice bushes. Oh, the door's already open. Okay. Hey. Hey, it's good to see you.
What's going on? How are you?
Pretty good. How are you? It's been a long time since I've been in your house. I think since last year, or no, not last year.
You're recording again, Paul?
Yeah. Well, the party's back here. Hey, Brianna. So a big shout out to my Uncle David for allowing me to stay here an extra day.
Way to go, David! David!
The funnest day of all.
I mean, if today I would have been in California right now, so.
And now he's here with us, and it's Sunday Fun Day. Cheers! Cheers!
I was really sad because Paul was going to leave, and I'm happy that he didn't leave.
I got an appetite, let's bake ourselves a treat. What you've been mixing, serve it up the way you please. I love the way you shake, you stir, you heat, you squeeze. So thick, push up and butter me. Push that, shake that, smack that, mix that, up that, marinate that. We don't need a recipe. Whip that cream, baby. Pour that sweet on me, baby. Shade up. We can cook up, we can stir up when we hook up, just you and me. With that cream, with that beat the song.
Did they take your car again?
Yeah.
For a nice spin?
Yeah, I'm scared.
Which way did they go? This way?
That way.
Oh, that way?
Thought he took my car again?
Oh my God, I want to get a free flight.
She better be here. Did she go by herself?
Oh, record this. I want her to give me a speed.
Want me to chase you around? I don't think it'll be fast enough.
No, I didn't get one yesterday. Woo! Here we go. Free
Put your seatbelt on. Oh no, they almost hit that car there. When did you get that car?
I got it in October last year, but I painted it in January. It's a lot nicer.
Get it right. Come on.
I've already drove it.
Come on, let's go. She opens up the door instantly. Come on.
Hey, Deva.
It's Oreo.
I usually stay inside, but it's outside. And I never, once I get in the building, I never leave for 10 hours.
You can do that at something like that?
Yeah.
He's laughing about it.
You got 4 open seats.
Oh, nice.
None of that.
You should be all right.
Sounds good. I'm glad to be able to stay an extra day. That way I'll be able to get a better flight on towards Bakersfield.
Did you know my first free flight was Bakersfield?
No, I didn't know that.
I was going to see your mother,
10.
and ironically enough, she was on her way to Phoenix. I called Paul.
But I think she gets more.
Paul says,
Right
"Oh,
here.
she's on her way to Phoenix," and I just got a ride to Bakersfield.
And what did she say when she found out
She
that?
goes, "I'm here in Phoenix, waiting, looking for you." You didn't know that, huh?
No, I didn't even know
That was
about
my
that.
first free flight.
Yeah, hold on. Everybody loves
Oh, thanks.
tremendous. Oh, wait, you see some.
I got a lot of leg room in my seat. Check it out. That's because I'm like right next to the emergency exit. At least I got a lot of leg room. All right, everybody, so I just made it back home safely, back to Bakersfield. I think it was a blast to be in Phoenix, Arizona. I didn't get to see 2 houses that my grandparents used to live in. I heard they had some good maintenance going on, but it's too bad I haven't seen them yet. But at least I had a great time. And if my family is watching, thank you so much for having me over there. I pray for my Uncle Felix. I know there's some people that have loved ones that do have like cancer on them, and it sucks that there's no cure yet. And I mean, we're living in 2021. I think we should have a cure now. But I'm gonna end this video right here. I'm gonna go get something to eat. Take care. See you next time. Peace.
Do you just feel like there is no air left to breathe? Do you just wanna to be left outside the grid? It's all for sure, you didn't know. I wonder what it meant to be. If I let go and let it flow, I think there's more to see.